Hi there, and thanks for joining us here at Phillip Capital Market Watch. I'm Paul Chew, Head of Research from Phillip Securities Research. Today, I would like to share our view of the Singapore equity market in 2021. We think Singapore equities are in a sweet spot due to an expected economic rebound, populist fiscal policies, and record low interest rates. A quick recap. 2020 was dismal for the Singapore Straits Times Index. Every major asset class, such as Asian and US equities, bonds, and gold, rallied except us. On key themes that supports the equity market, we think the vaccination can bend the COVID-19 infection curve, driving a rebound for global economies. Globally, COVID-19 daily cases continue to rise to record levels. Singapore's ability to contain infection rates allows the government to further ease social restrictions and facilitate an earlier and more pronounced economic rebound than many countries where the pandemic is still raging on. On theme 2, dividend yield will be central to any equities portfolio. The hunt for any yield is still underway, as reflected by the record global negative debt that has reached US 17.7 trillion as at December 2020. The chart includes Bitcoin, where negative interest rates can even drive the value of zero-yielding assets. The third theme is the huge fiscal stimulus to backstop any major weakness in global economies. After the US 2.4 trillion CARES Act plus the recent 900 billion COVID-19 relief package, US President Biden is proposing a US 1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan stimulus. Next will be infrastructure and clean energy spending by the new administration. Apart from the size of the stimulus that is much larger than the 2008 global financial crisis, the current stimulus are cash handouts to the needy, which have a larger fiscal multiplier than tax cuts to corporations. Finally, valuations for Singapore equity market are at close to lows of 11.5 times PE based on pre-COVID-19 earnings and pays an attractive yield of around 4%. That's all for Phillip Capital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also, tell us what you think of the major themes that will influence the market this year. Leave your comments. Thanks for joining us and see you soon.